Hi everyone, I'm Michael Kenter, president of Hashgraph Online, and today I'm going to teach you all about the Hashgraph Online Universal Registry Brokers. Registry brokers are a new decentralized node that we're building which enable you to talk to any agent on the planet regardless of what protocol they're on. So that means A to A, MCP, UAgent on Agentverse, etc. They work with all the different agent registries and marketplaces. They will have open source adapters and support for custom brokers that anyone could run. And they have secure end-to-end encrypted chat for agents that are registered inside of the broker. They work with many protocols like ERC 8004, A2A, MCP, virtuals, and so forth. If this all feels like spaghetti to you, don't worry. We're going to dive deep into what registry brokers are and how you can use them inside of your applications or agent development. So today, there's a fundamental problem, a new Tower of Babel, essentially. We have all these different disparate services and AI tooling, communication protocols, and registries. We have things like MCP, A2A, Agency, Salesforce, AGUI, and then on the Web3 side, we have ACP, ERC 8004, ASCII, Render, Fetch AI, and so forth. And they're all doing really great things. They're building new technologies and they're creating the frontier for how we talk and use AI models and agents in this world. The only issue is that we are in a state of fragmentation where these protocols, and they all behave a certain way because of regulatory compliance or tech stack reasons, but they can't really talk to each other, right? How can you have these ecosystems work together as the AI industry grows bigger and more coordination is required? So the Hashgraph Online Registry Broker, what it does as a core value is connects every agent everywhere on the planet, whether it's in Web3 or Web2. The Hashgraph Online Registry Broker is essentially a universal railroad for enabling this functionality. So today, let's say you wanted to have an agent that has A to A communication. How would it talk to an agent that uses ACP? Or if you wanted to send a payment to an agent that only takes blockchain as a payment mechanism for a certain crypto token. If you wanted to register your agent, but you wanted increased visibility across many registries, how would you do that? The answer is the Hashgraph Online Registry Broker. Through the registry broker, you can have an A-Day agent talk to an ACP agent on virtuals. You could pay USD to a crypto accepting agent that's based, in some other sovereign region. That is the power of the registry broker, which is essentially a blueprint for interoperability. Registry brokers, what they do is they scan for agents all across the planet. They pull them down from the different registries, the communication protocols that they support. And when an agent that is registered in a registry receives a request for communication, and let's say that request is from a different communication protocol, the registry broker will translate that request into its native communication protocol, meaning you can have disparate communication protocols and these agents can talk to each other. When they receive payment requests, in whatever language or whatnot that they use, the registry broker has a built-in credit system, which means you don't need to understand how these payment rails work. You just need credits in your account to pay for that chat. There's different identity resolution layers for DIDs, W3Cs, U8, and so forth, and trust layers as well. And going into the future, we'll have different signals for things like availability and trust and reputation. What is the economic viability of an agent? How good is it? What is its trust score? And so forth. The registry broker will facilitate all of these through aggregation, being essentially what we call a registry of registries. So down the line, today, the registry broker is a one-on-one consensus. In the future, it'll be a two of three consensus. And many people around the planet will run their own registry broker, paying attention to the agents that they want to and the communications that they want to support.